Hey everyone, what's the craziest lie that a car dealership has ever told you? Well, I'm going to tell you one of the weirdest ones that we've heard in recent memory just after this. So initially when I heard this, I thought to myself, there's no way on earth that dealerships are telling this to people, and perhaps the people that I'm talking to, the clients, the leads that I'm talking to, just maybe misunderstood. But over the last couple months, I've received an astonishing amount of people that are claiming that the dealership is telling them that ceramic coating in particular, but ceramic coating and PPF will void your car's warranty. It's the most ridiculous notion on earth. Now, why on earth would the dealership lie about this? I'm going to tell you right now. So what dealerships do, and you can see this in one of our other videos about should you get a dealership ceramic coating, but one of the things that dealerships do is they come up with these mostly, I don't want to say fake ceramic coatings, but really a poor performing, cheap, easy to apply ceramic coating that they then roll into your financing, and they charge you an exorbitant amount of money. I've seen it in some instances. I've seen claims and stickers from the sticker car, the dealer sticker showing that they're charging $2,000, $3,000 for this ceramic coating package. And I'm not talking about PPF, because they do also sell really poorly applied and real poor coverage PPF kits, and we have a video about that too, showing the coverage that they do. But I'm talking about just ceramic coating. And sometimes we get cars in with dealership ceramic coatings that the client has been basically forced to purchase, and then if they don't want it, they have to go around and litigate, practically sending letters and dealing with corporate to get their money back. But why does the dealership lie and tell you that it voids your warranty? Well, of course, if you get their ceramic coating, if you get their protection package, it magically doesn't void the warranty. But what that does is that allows them to take a cheap $10, if they even put it on, coating or sealant or wax, and charge you $1,000 or $700 or whatever the case may be. And then of course they have these ridiculous warranties that they put in place with them, like if you ever get a stain, it'll be covered, and if you ever get a rock chip, it'll be covered. But the reality is the fine print for those is extensive. Even the hail damage ones are extensive fine print, and it's not going to allow you to actually make that claim. So ceramic coatings, PPF, none of that voids your warranty. Matter of fact, the dealerships install that themselves. This is all a ploy to get you to purchase their ceramic coating, or whatever they call it, protection package, and mark it up significantly and get you to roll it into your financing. They get extra money, they get extra commission if you do that, and so they will outright lie and say it voids your warranty.